Camera's low. Might be better. Good morning. How are we doing? Another week coming into mid-February. Just pretty crazy that time is flying like that. Got to get those payouts, or at least grow the accounts this week. And we got 19 300K accounts. That's crazy. Those are tough, but never actually been funded with the 300K, so maybe I have. Maybe once a long time ago, but we got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes till the open. I am not going to play the opening range trade. $18 trading days. Wow, you did the evals the proper way. Congrats. It's awesome. Now you do the same thing on the funded and you get a big payout. You don't even have to do that much. You do half of what you did. You could get a big payout. All right. Overnight, obviously, a little strong. Bounce from... recovered the whole thing from last week and just gonna be long biased. That's what I prefer, and just gotta not chase the top. Make sure copy trader's on. All right, 1 minute till the open, guys. Less than 1 minute. Good luck today. Jimmy, maybe update your QUANTOWER, but I don't know. Update QUANTOWER would be one option. Let's see how the open plays out. I'm not playing the opening range trade, but I'm watching it to see if it would work, because I need it to work for a few days in a row, and then I'll start doing it again. Okay, I think it would have won. Yeah, so the opening range trade would have won today. Okay, that's good. I missed the entry there. I try to chase the other side of the ORB. That was a big failure there. Come on, you bastards. I don't trade the ORB right now. It hasn't been working. I lost anyway, so I would have won on the ORB and I lost without the ORB, so. Nah, that's totally fine. I'm not trading the ORB until I have solid 3 days of easy wins. So today is day number 1. So Thursday I will take the ORB if next 2 days are same thing. And just tight stop. Kind of. This is what I wanted, but we 0 for 2 here. Yeah, it's gonna be 0 for 2. It's struggling. Gotta kill it. It's gonna go. I try to get a nice big reversal again. Shut up. My phone is just in the mornings. It's like all my friends know I'm trading. Like, come on. Got stopped out again. I'm not gonna jump in. Come on, fall off. Okay, good. Very choppy so far. I don't remember which. I think it's gonna want to bounce, but so that was a good trade here. I just got stopped out for no reason, but down 132 now. Still choppy, still no direction. Feels like a holiday open. Let's see. So I have a friend that's trading the ORB and he said it lost. Maybe because when you're watching it, you don't notice the scale. 930 open. 764. Yeah, I could have lost. I guess if the entry was tight, maybe that's what I got to go back to doing. Entries, tight entries, and smaller targets. That's the OG ORB was tight entries, super tight entries actually, and small wins. But obviously with the risk reward and the volatility increase, I changed it. Let's see if we could get a retest of the 200 moving average here, the low of this range. Or are we going to just break out? I'm not expecting a clean breakout until one side gets trapped, but who knows? That's what I'm just telling myself so I don't get trapped. Oh, ES is going down. Let me pull up ES. Pull up ES here. Oh, yeah. Wow. Way different market. So that makes it difficult to trade now. Is NQ going to follow ES or is ES going to follow NQ, right? Is ES going to bounce when this rips or is this just going to fake out and dump? That's the beauty of the market. GG, yeah, exactly. Traded differently. Everyone's got their own unique style of every trades, not only ORB, but in trading in general. I don't have any evals, so I can't trade any evals to pass more. I'm waiting for some to renew eventually, but until ORB is strong, I'm not gonna be crazy on getting Apex accounts back to 20. I'm gonna maybe focus on getting Trade of 8. I mean Trade of 5. Keep saying Trade of 8. Or Take Profit. I still gotta activate a Take Profit account. Gotta submit my documents and then should be good to go. All right, so this was a fake out like I thought, but not enough. So ES is still dropping to new lows. Not on the day, but on the session, 9:30 session. 150K account payout. It's 2750. That's the maximum you could get. And the drawdown on the 150K account is 5,000, right? So it's 5,000. You could only take out 500 into your drawdown. So you got to make $4,500, or exactly it's $4,600 plus $2,750 to request the full payout. So what's that? $46 plus $2,750. You got to make $7,350 to get $2,750, which is not fair. But that's only for the first 3 payouts. That's why I don't really like the big accounts too much, unless you're going to be very aggressive the first couple of days, like I was on the 250K account. This account right here, it's up $4,849. And it's not even on 8 days yet. At least I don't think. Wow, what is... The ES is not moving up at all. Wow, finally breakout. I'm going short. That did not seem to sustain itself. And I'm wrong. At least with this tight stop, it's not gonna be the best, but I'm not gonna move my stop. I'll just re-enter and make my target bigger. But see how it's... I hate this stop. I'm gonna try not to move my stop, because losing $250, if this just keeps going higher, it's not the biggest deal. I might be overthinking this ES situation. Yeah, I got to stay long biased. There's no point of shorting this market when it's always rebounding. So every time it goes lower, it always rebounds. I'm just going to stick to longs. This is QUANTOWER. This is not NinjaTrader. All right, so we've created the 15-minute high. The 15-minute breakout is about to happen. ES is bouncing now. Maybe not. $942. Yeah, now it looks bullish. It's I really just overthought the trap with ES going down. I thought NQ will trap and fall, but I was wrong. And I just gotta, like I said earlier, I was long biased, and I just looked at ES for no reason and changed my bias, which I don't want to be doing. So not gonna chase, of course. Got to be patient. Wait for some kind of either super crazy move to the upside and then follow through, momentum trade, or if it's still like chopping, then got to wait for a pullback and then re-entry. So very slow ATR today. I think scalping is going to be good on the other accounts. I'm just trying to go for bigger win here on these accounts. Would love to get them to green, but eventually I'm going to have to stop if I just can't. I just can't get them to green. If it's just not my day. These are the moves I'm looking for, and I just can't time them. Let's see, can we get this to bounce? Yes, it's bouncing. Nope. Come on. Hold the line, boys. So you guys know I like to trade with no stops and just work the trade out. But on these accounts, I'm copy trading, and with the tweet possibility, I don't want to get caught in a death candle. Okay. I guess I was right the whole time, the whole day. So longs here were good. I got stopped out. And then short was good here, but I got stopped out. So you never needed a stop with Apex. That was always a myth. You need to stop out. You don't need a stop. Big difference. Yeah, I'm going to get ready for long for sure. Maybe break of this. Need to see some kind of. Because I only got like 1 or 2 more trades on these accounts. Damn it. Missed it, maybe. No, it's not my day, guys. I always jinx myself when I post the payout thing on the thing. All right. Gonna take one more trade. One more trade. Horrible. Oh my god. I was so right here and I just oh, it's embarrassing. It sucks. That's what sucks. Should have taken the payout. Ah, should have taken the damn payout. $2,000 would have been better than. Come on, why? Why you gotta do this to me? I'm not touching the first green candle. I'm gonna use a flip day today for my payout account. I need one more green day on them, but today is not the day. Today is not the day to try to trade them. So I'm gonna use one of the flip days. So I still gotta trade for 3 more days. No, 4 more days. Come on, let's get a breakout. Yes, it's trying. Wow, this is like so slow. I think the best way to trade this is to add, to not stop out, because I just wish I could do that on stream like I do off stream, but Do I risk these accounts for long? If we can break out over the 15-minute, I'm going to add. And if we reject it, I'm going to sell. These were holding up here, creating some kind of support level. And this was a big trap here. So let's see. I got to go take out the garbage too. Damn it. I forgot. Oh no, I think they're pulling in now. Yep. Oh well. I guess I gotta take the garbage out on Thursday. My profit take is gonna be above. I'm gonna see if the 15-minute opening range trade plays out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna just take some profit here, and if it breaks out, I'm gonna actually add. ES is still looking like it wants to keep going. Come on. Get this big pop. I gotta go take out cardboard because it's in the way in the garage, and I'm in a shitty situation now because I gotta go take out cardboard. I forgot. And it's in the way in the garage, and we're working on it. It's trying. It's certainly trying to break out. Let's see how it reacts. Damn it, I'm supposed to add. Come on. You could do it. A bit more. It might retest the lows. It's like a 10-point trade there, but it's not. Tough decision here. I gotta go take out cardboard. So whatever happens, happens. But oh shit, hit the target. Damn. Oh my god, it was a workout. It's a lot of cardboard. I was sprinting back and forth. My garage is like it's like moving half a car out. I had those the wall panels for the garage and stuff, and it's a lot of cardboard, so Well, I was running back to see this win too. Well, a loss. I actually had no way to check. All right, that's a good feeling though. Needed this win. That was that was what, a $1,400 win. See, I wish I could trade that when I'm not down on the day. That's my biggest weakness. My biggest wins always come when I'm down on the day, which is not good. I'll hit both take profits at the same candle, like same minute. Wow. My buy should have been at the 15 retest. Not here. All right. Do I want to trade the other accounts or do I want to just flip them? Oh wait, I do have a brand new account. Forgot to add it to the copy trader. Damn. LJR, very nice. I do have this brand new account. Maybe I'll trade that. All right, so here's a summary. I could request a payout and I could request a payout today. Okay, I could have requested on Friday. What do you guys think? Do I take out the 1,700 and the 1,300, so it'll be 3,000? Do I take this $3,000 out? Or do I just try to get these accounts to over 54,100 and request it on Thursday with the rest of the accounts? Is that a beagle? Yeah, he passed. Well, she passed away on Tuesday last week. Yeah. That's why I wasn't streaming much last week. Yeah, we'll see what this pullback does. I watched a pretty good video. I want to see if I'm going to implement any of it, but it was basically how to read flags or wedges, right? So the difference is like when we have a big move, if it's a sharp pullback, then most likely it's going to do this. But what the hell? Oh, yes. I can't get my Epic Pen to work. Wow. That's a failure. I can't even erase any of this. What happened? I can't even click on the I can't get rid of this now. Yeah, or he was saying if it's a shallow pullback, then it's most likely to continue. I don't get it. How does a sim account have slippage when it's not even going to the market data? Because it's how it trading stocks, okay, on sim is actually way worse than trading in the real market when it comes to fails. There's still a level 2 on sim. There's still like realism to it. So it's not Apex, okay? There's lack of data, there's lack of volume or contracts in spikes of volatility, so you're going to get slippage. It's just how trading works. It's always been like that. And on stocks, on sim, it's actually worse than in real markets. All right, I might have to... Let's see. Task manager. Okay, good. Wait, am I on the wrong scene on OBS? I am. All right, so far rejected. If it breaks it, I'm going to go long. Or down here. $8.35. Is the 5-to-1 rule with Apex close profit or unrealized? It's also unrealized. Actually, I don't know. You know what? It might not be unrealized. Unrealized, it's probably just the 30%. You're right. I think it's realized profit. That's the only way they could really check, right? What's the risk reward? I actually like the break of 835 into 825 and then hold. Sonia, that's what I'm doing with my other accounts. With these accounts, I'm already on 4 days green. So I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of, 7 accounts of flips. But this account, I gotta grow it more. I keep forgetting to add it to the copy trader, but this account actually got approved. So that's why it's lower balance than the others. But these got denied, so I'm trying to flip and it could be, what do I need to make on the 250K account? Anyone know? Oh, 250K account, I gotta make 6,600. Oh no, I gotta make 66 plus. Oh man. 66 is just for a $500 payout. Oh. That's not gonna get paid this week. Never mind. Market just hit the off switch. I got the payment on Saturday and I got approved. Or maybe I got it on Friday and I got approved on Tuesday. Okay, let's see if this trap works. Typically, I don't leave the order there, but it's a brand new account, so usually I would wait to see if it holds. If this level breaks, if it holds up, I'll enter. But here I'm just going to enter on the dip. Even though the trap, we already had a trap here. So we got a pullback, higher high, pullback, trap. Didn't really work out. I mean, it did, but Or not. Okay, I guess we're gonna go long here. See, I had some slippage there. Very strong move. Just target like 350. Come on. Halfway. But yeah, the 835 level was nice. Can we get a pop, baby? Can we get this to pop? Small pop, please. Not having the best day so far, so I don't think I'm gonna flip the other accounts today. Just gonna wait, see if this plays out at all. I was kind of close to winning the Super Bowl pool yesterday with Tradify. $12,500 on the line. Would have been some nice giveaways. Give 150K giveaways. I did giveaways on Friday. Let's get it. Come on. Break this 870 level and we should hit the target 875. Here we go. Here we go. So close yet so far. 2 points away, guys. But I think we get it. Just need patience. Maybe another trap. I wish I had the same peaceful manner on like seasoned accounts like I do on brand new accounts. Like this is a brand new account, day number 2. I don't really care, right? Like there's no emotions, there's no win or lose. I go to whatever, and it makes trading a little bit more easier because of that. You actually make more profit because you make better decisions. Nope. You just got to open and close a trade. I flip. My flips are on micros, and I go for 2 tick target. That's my flip, and I lose 2 cents. All right, I guess this is gonna be the resistance, 873.50. So now if we're gonna break it, we might as well get extra couple points. I'm gonna have my hand on the trigger to flatten. Still holding up. It's still wedging. Is it gonna? It's gonna break one way or the other. Just which way is it gonna break? Come on. Really? That's it? All you got? All that resistance. And you won't even break out? Come on. Just a little bit. How hard is it to get 3 points? Well, Chiefs found out yesterday it's very hard to get any points. All right, now I'm getting greedy. I moved my target. So I'm gonna trail it. I got greedy. So if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But my target would have been filled. What a bunch of crap. What a bunch of crap, guys. Not get 1 point. Bunch of crap. I want to protest. Oh, 80% off is back, guys. 80% is back with Apex. All right, maybe I'm gonna get some more evals. Now it hits the target. Oh my god. Come on. It varies KC trading, but it's pretty good. I've said it since the very beginning. If you are trading at home and you got nothing to do, start a YouTube channel, because in a few months you could pay for your evals with affiliates or pay for your car with affiliates. If your car payment's $400 a month, you can make $400 a month very easily with affiliates. If you grow your channel. Oh man, the target was filled as soon as I got out, huh? That's a doesn't seem like a lot, but that's like $180 difference. No, $130 difference. Maybe. Yeah, $130 after commission. It's 140 roughly. Now it's very hard to trade this. Now you gotta wait for me personally, right? After I took these trades, I gotta wait and see where it wants to go. If it keeps going higher, I can't chase it. And I'm gonna end up chasing it the high, and then it's gonna just collapse. Ideally, I would love to see a big sell-off. And then find a bounce. But at this point, I might be done because I didn't have a good day, even though my P&L is green. Was hoping we'll get a 90% off sale so I could buy 30 to pass 15. I wish it was that easy. Hedging doesn't work for me for some reason, not in this market at least. They raised the one-time fee? Oh, man. We got to go back to monthly? Yeah. I mean, they spoiled us with the $85 activation. That was never supposed to be like a new standard. That was just a one-time sale and they kept it for too long. It spoiled people, I think. But yeah, 125 is not cheap. Maybe it's better to do monthly again. Bull Knox is 150. Tradeify is the same. Come on, now it goes up. I knew I was going to get impatient at the wrong time. But it's hour in, a lot of trades. It's the way I want to trade. You waiting for a pullback to enter short or to buy a dip? I hit the like button, guys, if you are enjoying the content. Good day so far as P&L goes, but as far as trading goes, not so good. Let me show you guys if you're just tuning in. My main trades were all over the place. I I kept getting chopped up with 50 tick stop loss. Took a short here, was up a little bit, got stopped out. Took a long here, took a break-even-ish stop. Then I re-entered, got a nice win here. So I was pretty much break-even on the day. Then I went short here after rejection. So this candle basically rejected. So I know it doesn't look like it now, but on QUANTOWER, the entries is where the line is touching. So this line is touching this candle. That's where I exited right here. So here I entered at the bottom of this candle. So basically what happened was this candle broke the highs, rejected. I entered because ES was weak and I got stopped out. Then I took a long, I got stopped out twice. And then I finally took a long and I took a pretty big long. I added to a winner and I got, made all the losses back. It's a pretty big trade here, pretty much $1,400 trade. And then this account was traded separately, made 251 after being impatient. Had my target, but then I moved my target up a little bit and I missed it, so I got out. And the rest of the accounts, I just got to make $50 on them, but I just don't think today's the day. I think I'm going to flip those accounts. So let me show you guys how I flip accounts. You can make a copy trader and do it all at once. I'm just too lazy right now. I could tell I didn't trade this account, so I got to flip it. So basically what I do is I do 2 take profit on, and if it doesn't work, I just get out for a bigger loss, but it's really not that big of a deal. This is 2 cents loss if I do win. So I'm in, I give it a couple seconds and I'm out, right? And I lost 2 cents. Do it again. Do it again. So like if I'm down like $20, then I'm gonna get out, I'm not gonna let this go like crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a loss. It's still a flip day, it doesn't really matter. I've blown accounts flipping before. I flipped on minis. It's like, oh, I could do 2 ticks on minis and still make like $10. I'm like, it works till it doesn't. All right. I think 2 more. This one I traded. Would have been fine on the other one. And this is the last one. I haven't lost on the flip in a long time. I lose twice here. Plenty of cushion in these accounts. Don't matter. And I'm out. Let's go back you. All right, that might be conclusion of my day. Today's day number 5 of the account. I'm already green for 4 days. I gotta have one more green day, but today is just not the price action I like, so I'm not gonna force it, and try to do it tomorrow. It doesn't matter whether I do it today, tomorrow, or Wednesday. I gotta trade these accounts till Thursday. Thursday night, I could request the payout, and it will be a nice Valentine's Day gift if I get approved. I think you are missing a flip on one of the accounts. Yes, I am. Thank you for that. Which account is that? 271. Made 48 cents. We could retire now. Come on, Trump, give us a tweet. Wake us up. Is the camera down again? So the 80% is back. Maybe I'll buy some evals. But passing evals right now, it's so slow. Probably have to wait till like 3 o'clock to pass evals, which I might not be around. I'll be busy. I would like to get back to more accounts with Apex, but I need the ORB to work. That's the key. I don't know what happened, but since inauguration, since January 20th, the ORB has just been horrible. The worst I've ever seen it, which is weird. Oh, I'm yawning. Be right back, guys. If we don't get any volatility spike here, I'm just gonna call it a day. Have a nice early finish. I went skiing yesterday, then watched the Super Bowl. I'm exhausted. What's the reason? The main reason is how difficult it is to pass the eval. That's number one. And number two, how much profit I gotta make to get a payout. There's so much wasted money needed to be made on the bigger account to get to a payout. But if you can make big days happen, then it's not a problem. For me, I make $200-300 a day, $400 a day. It's very difficult to get to a payout on a bigger account. I say we continue lower. It's my guess. In the dark. So we pull back to 830s again. But I have no idea. Money bag. I can't wait. It's so cold here. It's so annoying. I can't wait for spring and summertime so I could trade outside again. That was so much fun. But now that my garage is going to be done, I'm going to make like a desk in the garage that I could just roll out and have a portable trading station. really winter is depressing. Like you just sit inside, it's cold, I'm shivering. I should either put my heat up or because I gotta like at nighttime I need cold. Like my house is set to like 64, 65, and it's still too hot to sleep in. But now I'm cold. In the summertime, it's like you sit outside. I like to stream in the afternoon. You know, like I'll stream in the morning. I'll go to the gym maybe and then come back and just do more like a laid back stream in the afternoon outside. A big rejection there. See if we could get down to the 835s again. That was a big level earlier. Let's check on our friends. How is Nutty doing? Say hello. Nutty's slightly red. Oh, he's long now. There she rips. Nice trap, I guess. Glad I didn't short that. Wow. Did I ever get that payout from Apex? The $2,000 I got, but not. I got denied on 6 accounts out of 7. I'll be requesting it again on Thursday. Big chop. There's very barcoding price action. Just no clean moves. Look at that rejection. Just up and down chop. Good for scalping. That's about it. Who was the guest on Patrick's channel today? Does anyone know? Who is this guy? Were they copy traded all the same? Yes, they were. Funded Futures Network. I don't even know who they are. More props promotion. Yeah, I mean, that's what it's about. Oh, Nutty's still in, actually. I thought you would have sold by now. I give Nutty props for trading micros. Trading micros is tough. I don't know. I feel like I should just call it. What am I even like wasting my time? I'm trying to enjoy the day, I guess, right? Not that I can. I got too much to do. But this price action is horrible. I can't even flip my other accounts. Can't pass any evals on this. Another failure. I think now it does sell off. Yeah, it didn't even get close to the highs. It's retesting the lows here for the third time. But look at that. Bounces right back up. It's just not fun. It's not a fun price action at all. Oh my goodness. Just break. Like if we got a big sell off here, I would maybe be interested in flipping like a couple of those other accounts, flipping them for payout. So I would need $50. So like 12 ticks. You could scalp on Apex. They never said you can't. There we go. Finally. Is it gonna continue or is it just gonna chop? When you like few red candles in a row without freaking bounces everywhere. Yeah, my fund the futures does. Yeah, my fund the futures, you have to trade for 5 points or more than 15 seconds, I think. But Apex doesn't have any scalping rules. Oh my goodness. Right back up. So it trapped the longs early on. Now it trapped the shorts. So basically what it's telling us is to buy breakdowns and sell breakouts. Milo, okay. Have you done better on other props? I mean, it's definitely partially it's you problem, yes, but I have the same issues on other props. Like on Top Step, for example. I don't do well on Top Step. But at the same time, I can't say that for sure because I've had less than 10 funded accounts on Top Step lifetime. Or maybe 10. So it just takes too long to get funded. Well, getting to PA is very easy. So that doesn't really count as much in Apex. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. The trailing definitely gets in the way. And Apex is great for a lot of accounts. But for one account, Apex is not the best, right? I mean, that's no secret. You're better off with Tradeify or My Funded Futures, maybe, if you don't scalp, even Top Step. But Top Step is, I don't know, Top Step has too many, like, you know, the 5K max payout now. It's like they put you live quickly. It's just too many, like, I don't know. It's hard to envision making $1 million on Top Step. Versus on Apex, we all know we could do it. Oh, God. Right back down it goes. I don't know. Anyone trading this must be scalping. All right. What do you guys think? Should we call it? I think I'm going to call it. I have nothing to talk about today. I'm just exhausted and I'm happy with today. After caught a nice trade after having a tough start, and I think that's all I could ask for is being green today. Being green after that terrible start is a blessing, and I'm going to call it. Enjoy the day. It's 11:15. Worked for 2 hours, and now we get to do whatever we want. That's the best part about trading. I am not sure if I'm going to request a payout today. I might. I could request. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This candle was kind of weird. Camera went off. This camera, I don't understand it. Sorry, guys. It just shuts off. There's something. What I got to do is just turn the camera around and look at it to see what it says on the screen. Or maybe I should record the camera to see what it says on the screen when it shuts off. Is it overheating? Is it the pixel mapping? I don't know what it is. I do think we're going lower here, but at the same time, I've said that for the last 4 breakdowns. And we haven't gotten lower, so. But we haven't had any new highs. It's just lower lows, so. All right, guys. I'll see everyone on Tuesday. For another day. All right, guys. Be good. Be safe. 80% is back with Apex. So if you're interested, you could do that. But right now, it's definitely not the time to pass evals. Maybe wait till later in the day. Usually around 3 o'clock, we might get a spike of volatility. 50K evals are the best, and you could pass with just one trade, 15 points. So that's what I do. That's how I pass them aggressively. And and I need to pass some more. I just don't know if I'm going to have time today, but if the volatility does increase and I am around, I will try to pass a couple. All right, guys, later. Yes, 10 minis or 5 minis twice. Later, guys.